Thank you. Dito yung shortcut, Liam, sa pit stop.
Why are we here on the track?
Ano na?
Why are we here on the track?
Dito na nga. Pit stop. Kasi wrong way to, Liam eh. Kasi kung hindi, doon tayo sa ilalim na dyan. Pero wag mong hindi ito gagawin pag ano, Liam. Kasi pag ano ng car eh, mababangga ka.
That's where he... No.
Ito ang pit stop.
Different one.
Box. Ayan, tapos dito 40 lang ang takbo nito.
No, because one of them was trying to drift here and he crashed somewhere there. That part. He crashed there because
Talaga?
he tried to drift and he went too fast. So he hit the pole. The video that I showed where he crashed.
Dito ang finish line, Liam eh. Alam ko dito pa o doon.
There's no people pa.
Pero iba na dito makagarahe siya.
Oh, the jeep is gonna be there. Oh, there's no people nga. We're the only ones pa.
Dito na lang tayo. Lagay ng gas.
Aren't these track closed? Motorcycle racing?
Meron.